let's head up to the hills and I'll find a coffee somewhere in the mountains. Look at these mountains right in front of us, that is where we are heading. Yeah, very exciting, look at the size of them, it's a mountain range. We are definitely high. We've just been climbing for the last 10 minutes solid now, so bend after bend, all the way to the top. This place is definitely popular with bikers, and the views I can understand, but the biking itself, the amount of traffic, no, I've got to say, super popular. This is insanely busy. This has got to be like the #1 tourist attraction in the north of Thailand. I've never been anywhere with this much congestion, and yeah, it's just nuts. Nothing we were expecting. We thought it might be popular, as some of these viewpoints have been, but this is next level. Another BMW, that's cool. Well, I've got to say that was probably one of the most epic coffee drinking spots I've ever been to in my life. But now we need to get out of the traffic. Come on, what are you waiting for? Bloody hell. Okay, 500. Just for what then? Oh, cap on one cap. So it is 520. Lots of tickets in my hand. Now this is more like it. Not seen a car in about 2 minutes. I'm more than happy to pay that 520 baht for these roads because, wow, yeah, epic. Alright, guys, has just passed me now. Just realised I'd not fastened up my helmet, so I had to stop for a couple of minutes to take my glove off, fasten up my helmet. So now, give me a little bit of a challenge. See if I can catch gas. Hang on. I think I just saw gas. Oh! Stop looking at the camera. Focus on the road, Dave. Focus on the road. Almost had a little bit of a boo-boo. Finally caught him. Yeah, let's just go for a nice steady cruise for a bit. That was a bit intense. There we go. Yeah, nice big 1200. Not sure what this is. Oh, signing out. Thank you, come on. Right, well that's out of the national park now. Was it worth 520 baht? No. And just compared to the free riding we had yesterday, which was absolutely stunning, it does not compare, not even a little bit. It's now 12:30, and what we're going to do is head to a huge massive lake. Just have a quick peek at the waterfall. It's literally right there. Look at the state of this route we got now. So yeah, curvy to say the least. See if we do any food. Oh, somebody have. Oh, I might just get some meat, guys. Meat on a stick. Okay, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay. Oh, couple more cab. Couple. How is your sausage? Good. Mile cab. Tasty. Rice in as well. Yeah, possibly. Yeah, very juicy. There's a lot of hard stuff to it. Like somebody's eating all the delicious meat. I'm left with, yeah.
Doesn't look very appetizing.
Most of that's solid. Very strange. Yeah, I think you made the right choice with the sausage. So we've enjoyed our lovely little barbecue. I'm going to say the sausages were good, but the chicken, nah, but it was zero meat on that. It was all bone and tender and I got no idea what, but it wasn't nice. But we got about maybe just a bit over an hour left until we get close to the lake and where we'll be staying tonight. But these roads today, my goodness, especially this afternoon. Oh, where we're going? around here, I think. These roads have been incredibly challenging. Like, I don't mean really hard, I mean mentally challenging, as in you've got to always keep your focus, because it's not really super slow riding. Just like that one, you got a mixture of really tight corners, fast straights, fast corners, and we're all mixing together. So look, so you got this nice long winding curve here. Oh, they're my favourite kind of corner. And then you got some tight ones thrown in on top of that as well. So, you know, you can't turn your brain off for a second, because if you do, you're going to be having an accident. So, let me just enjoy the last hour of riding, and then it's going to be beer o'clock. Like we're following the river over here for maybe another half an hour, and then our hotel is literally on the riverbank, which is going to be pretty cool. Little resort is here. Alright. Apparently this is where we're staying. Hello. Saudi cab. Yes, we are Farang. Hey, dog. Hey. Hey. Who's a good doggy? Alright. Oh, Blackie. Alright.
So how come you've arrived here?
Just looking for somewhere to stay for the night.
Oh, what a shame.
Google Maps.
Eh? Well, I've got a chicken pen, I've got...
Yes. You might have turn my television on. Woo!
It's a feast.
Indians, because that lab moo was good.
Tasty. I mean, very tasty.
Yeah, so lab moo.
This is good.
No, it's papaya salad.
Ah, it's good.
Papaya salad, yeah. Refreshing. Got a juiciness inside.
Do you eat the skin?
She said take it up.
Okay.
So this one, spice. You see how spicy. We'll try the fish to start off with. I don't know what fish that is.
Is it good?
Oh,
Very good.
Yeah. Try a bit of this spice sauce on there. Thank you.
No problem.
Go on, Cap, go for thank you. Count on.
How much did you say? That was like 220 baht. So 220 baht with full fish.
Oh, that fish is still delicious.
Look at it, it's just super soft and moist, and that fish is a winner. And a spice sauce as well.
Amazing.
Yeah, I think that's the best food we've had so far on this trip,
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah, without a doubt. It's amazing. It's delicious. And it's the best place we stayed.
Yeah, for sure. It's got character. Yeah. We get a good night's sleep after a couple more beers. Winning.